Big River Beach.
What's so great about the beach anyway? Dude, you're missing the best part. And what would that be? Right on cue. Check out the girls we're with. Some nice eye candy, huh?
Don't look at me like that. What are you two staring at?
Oh, nothing. Anyway, I think we should get swimming now. Yeah, I agree. Let's one there for our day. Wait up, dude. What about the sunblock?
I'll go get him.
So, yeah. I guess we should do it now.
Be gentle.
No, wait, that's not what I meant. They sure are taking a long time to get back. You think anything happened to them? What the? How foolish of you to break the easy fall from my watermelon trap. Let Makoto and Hibiki go. If you insist. You insolent fool! How dare you get in my way? You'll never get away with this. I'm right here. Dude, are you still going camping? Oh, is that this weekend? Yeah. We'll continue this later. I agree. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Did you like?
Hey guys, this is SBF fan of 129. For the subscribe, pick you person to come soon. And the Charlie sees the better news again has another update. And the Geeky Giggle what's ahead. The local platform designs and they do this have before or had to make. And then they go 3 videos of platform designs like a Mario Kart. Don't be aside. There's animations and more. Thanks for watching. Peace.